Okay, so I'm going to play you this Russian video thing really quickly. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, the crash is going to occur over here, okay? Okay, so see that? That is energy being released, but you don't see the actual plane falling from the sky, okay? Common stuff, people. Okay, let's play it again. Yeah, see, that's energy. To me, there's something going on. This is, you know, that looks like energy being released from a directed energy weapon, okay? You know, something going on here. So I'm just going to hit play. Okay, so that's about it. So let's go back up. Okay, see, there's no plane. There's no black smoke. There's nothing. This is a directed energy weapon right here. See that? Directed energy weapon. So I'm not sure about this story. I don't know where they're going with it. There's a hidden agenda behind it. Okay. So I just want to give you a heads up on this story. Like I said, the Dark Elite are using directed energy weapons. You gotta see this stuff. Gotta watch it. Over and out.